Crossing the railway line. So both work, 2 LUS we have to provide. So all 2 LUS we had provided. Today I have come to see the progress of railway electrification work at Karur. You may be aware that here we will have a center for the railway electrification. 2 officers will be posted here, along with 1 ADN which always already here, and besides this 20 or 30 more staff will come to man or maintain this OHE line. We will have a depot here. We will have the tower wagon depot. So all work which are being done are done on satisfactory level. By anyhow we have to make this OHE line operative by March 31st of 2018. So my duty is that the railway electrification organization, whatever support they are wanting, we should give them, extend them. Third issue is that we are here to want more passenger amenity as people demand. So today the DRUCC member will come and some local public will come and we will discuss what can be better. As such, the railway station kept clean. There is no major problem. All passenger amenities are there. But we want that more and more people should buy ticket from here, because since this Kaveri bridge has been opened, the ticket sale has been down. So we request the people that they should travel by train. If they are not traveling by the train, then the revenue to the railway station will be reduced, and the halt to the long distance train will also not be possible at Karur. So it is in the interest of Karur people to travel more and more from Karur. So we can justify the halt here of the train, long distance train, which will run after electrification. As far as the beautification of the station, we are thinking that we should raise the area of bicycle parking, motorcycle parking, and we should also have the car parking. So car parking and motorcycle parking we can have here. Improvement to the railway colony is one of the major issues which we are dealing. So we had been given the 12.5 crore rupee to improve the railway quarters on Salem division. So probably around 3 crore or something will given to this section. So that our engineers, that ADN here is very keen and he is doing his work. So I think that work will also start by next month. Other amenities, improvement to the road to the colony and all, we are just seeing. Some more quarters we are also building for the RE personnel. So that's all we come here, and we will travel up to Dindigul and see that all 3 stations we have. Those 3 stations facing acute water problem. One station we have provided the water because old well was there, so we reopened that well. But 2 stations the water problem is there. So we have to find some solution to that. So the railway staff and the travelling people should not suffer shortage of water. So that is the main agenda.
Sir, any more train any extension in Karur?
The train will come only when you buy the ticket. If you don't buy the ticket, then no more train will be stopping here. So one thing is very simple, that more train, to have the more train, to travel more to justify. Huh? He's taken?
What time for everything? Well, you call the Michael and I told him also that.
It's not completed fully.
And what is this is the building for?
OHG depot and